This video isn't your average self-improvement video. There's no flashy visuals or quick edits. Because here's the truth. Those videos are trying to sell you the idea that distractions are okay. They're trying to sell you quick fixes. But this isn't about quick fixes. It's about real change. So listen closely. Don't just watch. Pay attention. You used to be able to sit down and read for hours. Remember those days? Now, it's hard to sit still for even 5 minutes without your phone demanding your attention. And here's the kicker. You don't even remember the last time you were truly focused. This video is for the version of you that's buried beneath the noise. I've been there. I know exactly what that feels like. But today, I'm going to walk you out of it. Let me introduce you to someone you might know. His name's Aaron. Every morning, he wakes up full of energy, with goals, fire in his eyes. But by 9 a.m., he's already 5 videos deep into TikTok, and he doesn't even realize his brain is being hijacked. Here's how it works. Every swipe, every scroll releases dopamine, your brain's reward chemical. It fires when you win a fight, when you finish a race, or when you fall in love. But the dopamine you get from social media, it's empty. It's like eating sugar for breakfast every day. You feel full, only to realize you're starving inside. Key insight and problem breakdown: focus as a muscle. Focus isn't just a skill, it's a muscle. And your phone, it's making that muscle weaker. Studies show the average person checks their phone 96 times a day. That's every 10 minutes. And with each check, you break your focus. Over time, your brain learns that it's okay to escape hard things. It forgets how to sit still, how to think deeply, how to feel bored, and use that boredom to create something great. Actionable step: start winning the first 10 minutes. Here's what no one tells you. You don't need to throw your phone away. You don't need to lock yourself in a room and meditate for hours. You just need to win your first 10 minutes. Start your morning without your phone. No Instagram, no WhatsApp, no YouTube. Just you, your breath, and a blank page. Write down what matters. Not 10 things, just 3. Then take one of those things and give it 25 minutes of your undivided focus. It'll feel weird at first. Your brain will scream for the dopamine, but that's how you know it's working. Encourage focus. Here's the truth. If you can't control your focus, you can't control your life. Because everything worth building, muscle, business, skills, relationships, requires your attention. And attention is currency. You're not bad at focusing. You've just been trained by an environment that profits from your distraction. But now, you know the truth. And now you can change it. So no, this wasn't a flashy video. No explosions, no edits. Because life doesn't come with edits, only decisions. And right now, you've got one in front of you. Will you keep living like everyone else? Or will you focus so you can finally build something different? This is Mastery Room. We don't seek noise. We chase mastery. See you in the next one.